Today I'm going to introduce Dr. Moosa. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, Dr. Moosa?
Absolutely. Well, thank you for having me today. I'm Dr. Moosa. I'm the surgeon at Excel Laser Vision Institute. I've been doing refractive surgery now for well over 22 years. My educational background, just to bring you up to speed with where I've been, I went to USC undergrad, graduating with my Bachelor's of Science, and then going on to Harvard Medical School, where I received my medical education. Thereafter, I went back to USC to complete my my residency training in ophthalmology at the Doheny Eye Institute, and then pursued my interest in correcting, individuals' eyes, people that had trouble seeing. My passion was correcting your eyes by getting rid of your cataract surgery. That was my initial passion, and quickly evolved as LASIK was coming about to treating patients with LASIK eye surgery. I've been blessed to be doing that for the last 22 years. Included in that are many family, friends, patients from generations now, and including my dad and my son. So this is very personal to me.
That's awesome. So that was a lot of school. How many years of school was that?
It took a long time. I mean, there's a lot of focused professional training that one goes through. The most significant thing is you go through your undergraduate years, then you define your interest in medicine. Obviously, the medical school experience is significant, and I was fortunate enough to get accepted to the best medical school in the country, and several others, but my clear choice was Harvard Medical School. Thereafter, my excitement about pursuing medicine further was to become a specialist and really pursue something I felt very strongly about, and that's where ophthalmology came in. I went to UCLA, actually. I did my internship at UCLA, and then my residency continued at USC. And the reason why I chose USC was because of the vast amount of surgical experience and pathology you would get through the county system at USC, and in all honesty, it did not disappoint. I got a vast amount of experience, and it really aided to the tremendous wealth of understanding of how the eye system works and how to achieve great outcomes for patients that are looking to see clearly.